Ino nio mbica mbunge-ini ya kaunti ya Murang'a, ajumbe aria matekunyitaga mbaru na aria mekunyitaga mbaru mbanjeti ino magiukanirira guku speaker wa mbunge ino agikorwo na ihinda iritu mageria-ini ma kumaiguithania.
Mr. Speaker, sir, rules of the House has got to be followed every time. Mr. Speaker, there is no date that we sat, there is no day that we sat as members of the Finance Committee to deliberate on the report, of this, that was written by the secretaries to the committee.
Ajumbe 10 nio mekureganaga na mbanjeti ino makiheana itumi itiganite, kimwe kiri gukuruhania ajumbe aria mekumenyitaga mbaru na ihaki kuma kuri gavana Mwangi wa Iria.
I now beg, humbly beg these honorable members, to shoot down these estimates. So as I stand here, I have the document with me here, Mr. Speaker, from the Getuge ward where the public participation did not take place. So that means that I cannot support the budget, and the budget does not meet the threshold because the public participation in my ward does not take place.
No nao aria mekumenyitaga mbaru ni mareganire na gukorwo mamukirite ihaki riu mukawa-ini umwe mwena wa Mombatha.
Mr. Speaker, the committee appreciates the members of the public for attending the public participation and giving their inputs, without which this process would not be complete.
Ajumbe 6 nio matanekinya giikaro-ini giki, 37 makinyita mbaru mbanjeti ino, maumirira maria maumanire nao mujumbe guikia kura rita riake. Ariu aikari a Murang'a metereire kuhingirio maundu maria mothe merirwo ni atongoria aya. Ona gutuika budget ino ni kugumirwo ni uregani munene wa ajumbe matiganite, riu muico ni yahituka na wira munene ni kuri thirikari ya kaunti ya Murang'a gutigirira ni yahingia ciiraniro ciothe iria ci budget-ini ino. Inoro TV kuma mbunge-ini ya kaunti ya Murang'a, ritwa riakwa ni Victor Kinuthia.